Hey guys, welcome to another edition GamingNight. Got another package in the mail here, so we're going to get started and see what we got. I know it's one of our kickstarters because they're all starting to come out at once. Got Quarter Logistics. Okay, this is a replacement sticker for something. I'm going to set this aside. Pop that over there for something. So, we got here. Box that can go bye-bye. So we've got, whoops, upside down here. Stop the train. And it's upside down, right? Yeah, I'm sorry. Stop the train. There's the back. So, sides. And that's that. So, it's one of the Kickstarters that my fiance wanted to back. She said it looked interesting to her. So, and being it wasn't that difficult of a game to understand, and it's a party game style. So very cold because they left this outside the building. So that's the instructions. So that must be why that's there. Is that a sticker? So there's this. There's that. And it looks like it's an FAQ. No. No. So there's that. And then we got tiles for the train pieces. It's a pretty thick stock, I think. Yeah, pretty thick. So, does this go to this one? We'll see. Yeah. D to D, yeah. So, they just stick in. They come out really easy. And, let's see. They're in snug enough, so that's cool. They got these markers on it so you know where they go. Boom, 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 just like that. And there's pretty thick stock. You can see there. Pretty thick. And we got the speed of the train, and then all these special tiles that get marked down here. And then it's got the play, discard, and draw pile. And then with the little clock speedometer things, that's there. Put that to the side. And then we got some more thick tiles here, some more the train pieces. So this is the start tile where the train starts. So then we have the switch track. So they got the scenic route, fast track, and then you got the viaduct. So there's like alternate paths that you can take. this a different tile or just using? I wonder if it's the same thing. Nope. So there's two. There must be two of the two of the switch places. Switch the tracks. And then this is the tile that ends the track. So if you get to that, you don't. The train's not stopped. It's boom. That's it. We got a current player marker. We've got the rail speed record, so you got the permit to travel tickets, so that you're allowed to travel. Some more track tiles. Yeah, it's a tunnel. So there's that. Alright. Then we got the piece that connects to the train speed. And we got cards here. So we're going to go through the cards, see what we got. Oh, that's really nice. They got a little helpful guide here. So this character reference, we got the engineer. They have to take the viaduct route. The photographer takes the scenographic route. The ticket inspector, make sure no one else has a permit to travel. Find or avoid tunnels as needed. So make sure no one else has a interesting. Rogue, crash the train with everyone on board. Stuntman, get thrown off the train. Viaduct route is best. So then they got saboteur, cause a collision in the Paris. Fast track is best. Resistance conspirator, throw the saboteur off the train. Viaduct route is best. 16 agent, keep the saboteur alive. Scenic route is best. Speedster, break the rail speed record. Viaduct is best unless record already achieved. Prisoner of War or a Chateau. Take the fast track. So yeah, they give you at least hints on how to play your characters, which would give you helpful hints, which is kind of nice. Then we got the vote box. Signal vote box. So these are probably when you are voting. Okay. And then these are the play cards, it looks like it. The order of play. So its current player draws 3 effect cards and secretly discards 1. The current player passes the remaining 2 effect cards face down to the player to the left, who then becomes the current player. The new current player secretly discards 1 effect card and openly plays the remaining effect card. Special events, if any, are resolved. And then it says the turn ends and play resumes from point 1 above. That's cool. So that's really. So we got another one of those. Then we got the characters. So we got the mayor. We got that character. Ticket inspector. Engineer. And they basically tell you what you need to do. So this is the characters. So yeah, it's like it's a social deduction game. So cool. That's a pretty good one. So they got all these different cards. Tailwind increases the minimum speed of the train, so the speedometer cannot drop below 60. Spy lets you inspect the last discarded card. Seize control forces the player to choose the other effect card. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you can do. Looks like to manipulate the stuff, which is nice. So I mean, we got action cards, and these are the effects, which affect your speed. And probably okay. So these are character reference sheets. Boop. So we got ID check. Maintain your current speed, or check the identity of another player without showing anyone else, and increase the speedometer by 60 miles per hour. So then there's sleight of hand. Apply the brakes to reduce the speedometer by 30. Take one permit to travel from a player or the board and do not change the speedometer. So the sleight of hand. Okay. Sleight of hand. Okay, theft. Maintain your speed or steal an unplayed intervention card from another player. And then there's stuff like full speed ahead. Increase the speed to 180. Reduce the speed. So yeah, like I said, they got a lot of different. Hit the brakes, minus 60. Apply the brakes. Maintain speed. So yeah, there's a lot of ways to negate, to, you know, because like I said, you could say, well, I drew 3 full speeds ahead and didn't really, and then bluff your way in there. So there's that. So those are those. We got one more element, is the train. Looks like we got a choice of trains, I guess. There's 2 of them. So we got that train, and then we got the one that's like that. So we got the silver and the gold. So choice. So they basically got an insert, your basic insert. So basically, once I get stuff sleeved, unless they fit back in the box will be useless. And then you got the train pieces. So I mean, most of them will probably fit into at least the straight ones anyway, will fit into the box. The curved ones, a whole different story. So, yeah, everything's pretty thick cardstock and everything. And being this game isn't probably that difficult to play, it should be able to hit the table really quick with us, so especially with just basic rules. But it's like I said, the social deduction part of it is what makes it work. So, yep, that's what you do. You basically and being the game isn't, it says it's only 30 minutes. So yeah, you're looking at a really quick game, and this goes up to how many people? Oh, 4 to 6. That's good. 6 because we usually have 4, or the minimum we usually have is 4, and then we've got a total of 6 of us. Usually is the max we've usually had. So that works with around that thing. So definitely is going to be interesting. So that's basically what's going on. We've gotten different stuff. I got put some more board game things up. I got a few projects left to do, and then I'm going to start doing that, putting the board games into. So I want to do the solo of the H.H. Holmes Murder House. I want to do that, a solo of that, and so the only way I'm going to go be doing that is when I get some stuff organized. I want to get a nice area to film and get a tripod or something that's going to be the right height so I can film. Since my phone has about the best camera, I'm thinking about using this camera. So yeah, that's the plan. I do have some Switch games that I'm gonna hopefully put up to 1 or 2 tonight. But that's the plan. Then I want to work on my arcade a little bit more. I'm adding some stuff to it. So that I can play other stuff as well. As I gotta fix a few of the games that aren't working, and I gotta go into I've added some stuff to it. So anyways, thanks for watching, and there should be plenty more videos coming. But like I said, I've been doing the pinball ones here and there just because those are like the quickest to film. And I've been really digging pinball, and I'm looking for some pinball games that I could play in the arcade system. I wish I could get get one of those tabletop ones that just go on your table. They're really small. Arcade that uses like the virtual pinball. I'd like to get one of those, but I just don't have the money to get them. They're expensive. Nor do I have the time to make one. So the closest I actually do have to pinball is on my Switch and my phone. So I've just been in the pinball kick lately. And then of course I want to do some more Star Wars for you guys once I get the stuff hooked up again. And so that's the goals. So today should be Switch, and then throughout the week I'll be doing a little bit of everything. So hopefully I'll get to some more board gaming stuff for you guys and others, just random videos. So thanks for watching. See you next time.